Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 1st to 5th June 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.08% positive move, 1.16580 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week, as well as I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium or small body with a big lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 4753 level, which is indicating as a sideways momentum. So here that's why I always say we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. In this 1-day chart, we can see some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Now let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.16580 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16457. Direct resistance is 1.16827. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16208 and then 1.15956. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17168 and then 1.17454. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark these levels as well on your chart. So before I talk about my opinion, if you want to trade or if you are from India and thinking that how can you trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared platform links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, then go for the link given in the description. Use the coupon codes which I have given, which will help you to get maximum discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platform. But if you think these platforms has very strict rule and you won't be able to follow these rules, then you can also directly open your own live account from GTC FX. I have already given link in the description of GTC FX. You can open your account from there and fund your own Forex account and you can trade freely without any restrictions. So if you want to do a live account, then you can open your GTC FX as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive momentum in this range, which is 1.16827 to 1.17168. I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, but if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.16457 gets breached, this level gets breached and a 4-hour 1-day candle gets closed below this, you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations is a bit positive, but I will also only trade once 1.16827 gets breached and a 4-hour 1-day candle gets closed above this. Then only I will go for a long trade till this level as a target. Even I will wait for this level then and wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.